There was an error logging you in. Please try again. Epic Games. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can solve if Epic Games says that there was an error trying to log us in. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if Epic Games says that there was an error trying to log in, first of all you have to check whether or not your login details are correct. So when you go to epicgames.com and then you tap your profile icon, just check if your Epic Games email address and password is correct, because sometimes that could also be the case. If you forgot your password, you can simply go ahead and then enter your email first, then make sure that you tap the forgotten password option, and then you'll be able to reset them accordingly. But if it's still not letting you log in, it could be the browser issue. So depending upon which browser that you're using, long press on that browser, tap the I button to come to the app info page over here. Then once you've done that, you can simply go to storage, clear cache, and also try to clear the data of the browser that you're using. And once you do that, you can try to come back and try to log into your account. So this way you should be able to fix it. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.